this lecture, I'll talk about the software that you'll need to successfully complete the learning objectives of this course. First, you'll need the Arduino IDE. You'll use the Arduino IDE to do all of the programming for the Arduino Nano 33 IoT and the ESP32. The Blynk libraries for these devices are also available for the Arduino IDE, and it is easy to install them via the library manager. All of the mobile app development work is done on the Blynk app. The Blynk app is available free of charge for iOS and Android. You'll use it to create an account of your projects, develop and then operate your Blynk projects. You'll use the same app to connect to the cloud or private Blynk servers. Because your project data are actually stored on the server, you can switch from cloud to private and back to cloud without worrying about backing up your phone. The Blynk smartphone app purpose is to be the application editor and to operate then the application. Get your Blynk app for your phone now and continue with the next lecture where I'll talk about the required hardware.